Dear customer, this is our QLQ automatic UV lacquer machine, and this machine can be common used for number 3 to number 8 zipper. This is the control plate of the machine, and this machine is ironing not by the temperature, it's by the two lights inside the oven. This 1, 2, these two lights. The zipper will go inside the machine from here. And then inside the oven. And the zipper will come out from here. This is the result. You can see it's very shiny. It's after UV oil already. Thank you for watching.